This is how I fix my toddler pancakes. The protein pancake and waffle mix, some butter, 2 eggs, and some water. First comes the pancake mix. I eyeball it, and I also eyeball the water, and then I put in the 2 eggs and I mix it all up in the bowl. The mix is done, so now we're going to turn on the stove and put the butter in, and we're going to pour the mix in, and I do a few of that, and the pancakes are all done. And just kind of last minute, I decided on a banana and some strawberries as well. Pouring the syrup on. And that's it. Follow for more cooking videos like this one.